Hello everyone, welcome to Shweta's Book of Recipes. Today's recipe is a restaurant style crispy corn, most loved recipe by kids. In a pan, add 1 cup of corn, 2 cups of water, quarter teaspoon salt. Boil it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes by covering the lid of the pot. It's been 3 minutes now and the corn is done. Turn off the stove and strain it using a sieve. Shake off the excess water. Corn has come to the room temperature. Transfer them to a bowl. For coating, add 1 teaspoon Maida, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon rice flour, salt to taste, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Gently give it a good mix. Corn still have the moisture content that will help the corn to stick to the flour. If needed, you can sprinkle some water or corn flour to it. The coating is done and ready to be fried. Heat some oil in the pan, drop the corn. Immediately cover it with a lid, but not fully, cover it 90%. This is just to avoid the oil being splattered. Keep the flame on medium and stir it occasionally. Do not forget to cover it with a lid. Once the corn is floating, that's the right time to remove. They become crispy and golden brown in color. Shake off the excess oil and transfer it to a bowl. Do not add it to a paper or towel that might become soggy. Now you can see clearly how the crispy corn sounds. That sounds good, right? For seasoning, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon Chaat Masala, half teaspoon Amchur Powder, salt if required, some chopped coriander leaves, and some lemon juice. Quickly mix them together. For even application of seasoning, finally give them a good toss. Perfect crispy corn is right now ready. Serve it immediately and enjoy the recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and see you guys in my next video. Until then, it's bye from me, Shweta.